Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix dark mode not working correctly in Feedly. So if the dark mode isn't working on your app, like weird colors, white flashes, unreadable text, it's usually a settings or app issue and even a subscription. So actually guys, first you will need to have a plan on Feedly to have the control on the themes. Okay, so if you already have a subscription, you will need just to go to the three lines that at the bottom left corner of the app, and then just go and scroll to the settings tab. Okay, so it's the second last option, and here you will need to scroll till you can see dark or system defaults. Okay, so go ahead and tap on dark, force it to be dark. Okay, if that doesn't work with you will need just to go and select system defaults, okay, and then go and check your phone's dark mode. So Feedly can follow system settings. Just go to the phone or the device settings, and right here you will need to look for the display. Okay, so this is display and brightness option. Just tap it, and right here choose dark. Okay, and then reopen Feedly and check. Okay, also guys, if that doesn't work, you will need right now just force restart the app and check. Okay, so go ahead, swipe it up, and after that swipe the app up, and after that go ahead and reopen it after a few seconds, 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so there you go. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.